Alright, so we're working on a 2016 Equinox here, but this video applies to a huge range of years of engines that use the same type of part. If you got a thermostat housing that looks like this, and it's got this squarish seal that goes between the housing and the block, you might have a hard time finding this gasket at your local parts store. The reason that is because the gasket actually comes circular. I looked up the GM part number, and this is exactly what it looks like. It's called the water inlet seal, and this was a $6 gasket at O'Reilly. So, and you can see if you look closely, you can see the ribbing where it's like flattened now from time. But yeah, if you take this piece off, definitely get a new gasket. It looked like all the parts stores had these, so they're not hard to find. You just got to make sure you're looking up the right thing, and don't be dissuaded by the fact that it comes circular. So, just gonna sit this in there for you. So I'm not struggling at all. I'll put this in. It's exactly the right length. See how much it sits above the surface. Definitely replace this if you ever take this off. So hope this helps you guys.